Revolutionize your construction site management with Meissa Platform. Managing construction sites takes a significant amount of cost and time. Monitoring a vast construction site demands a substantial amount of manpower and time. The manual process of estimating volumes and regular site inspection is inefficient. Managing multiple issues on site all at once is challenging. Without historical site data, potential issues during construction can result in increased costs for resolution. Meissa Platform helps addressing these challenges in your construction site management. You can monitor your up-to-date site captured by drones anytime, anywhere. Only with a few mouse clicks, you can obtain the accurate results of volumes, elevations, and distances. Also, you can overlay CAD drawings or BIM data on your site and track the progress. You can manage all the issues arising at the site and communicate with your team. All site data will be archived on our cloud system for the documentation, and it can be utilized as evidence for resolving arising disputes. How does the features of the Meissa Platform work? On the platform, when you set a flight path, the drone flies and captures site images through automatic flight. All the captured images will be automatically analyzed at the platform. In this process, 2D orthophotos and 3D model of the site will be generated. Let's take a look at the key features of Meissa Platform. You can visually observe the changes on the construction site according to the process, all in one screen. Don't worry about indoor areas or blind spots that are difficult to observe with drones. Experience seamless reality capture of your site without blind spots through integration of CCTV and 360-degree camera with the Meissa Platform. Simply click a few times with your mouse to view cross-sections of desired areas and accurately calculate earthwork volume. You can save up to 90% in cost and time investment compared to traditional surveying methods. No need to print CAD drawings anymore. By overlaying CAD drawings on the latest site map of the Meissa Platform, you can monitor construction status, as well as quickly identify any construction errors. Is our project going as planned? Integrate BIM data on the 3D model of your site and compare as-is and to-be of your project. Are there any hazard areas on the site where accidents could occur? No worries. Through mobile GPS, track the real-time location of workers or heavy equipment. When day laborers enter hazard areas, Site Manager will be notified to prevent accidents in advance. Collaborate with your team anytime, anywhere through web and mobile. Communicate with your team at an interactive, up-to-date visual record of your project, managing all issues. All the site data will be archived on the Misa cloud system. Check all the historical information of your site whenever you need. Meissa Platform is already revolutionizing the workflow of hundreds of construction sites.
Through Meissa Platform and on-site drone flying, we were able to thoroughly inspect the site even from thousands of kilometers away at our headquarters in Korea. We could promptly assess and address on-site issues without visiting the site, saving communication costs and travel expenses. Also, we successfully complete reporting to our project owner through visualized image of the 10 km site.
With Meissa Platform, before starting construction, we were able to inspect the high-voltage power line facilities or crane placement on the site, allowing us to plan the project more systematically. Through CAD drawing and BIM integration, we reduced construction errors and achieved more precise execution. At the groundwork stage, we could calculate the earthwork volume of cut and fill with just a few mouse clicks, which proved highly cost-effective.
Request Meissa Platform demo right now.